All right, welcome to the third here. 20 minutes back on the board. We're going to be killing here. We're going to be killing for 2 minutes. I could imagine what was said in the dressing room here between periods, but I think, yeah, I don't think it was maybe very nice, but that's okay. That's okay. We're going to go. Good kill here. Good kill. Radley. Emery. Good job by Fairzy there. Gets it dumped in. Gets his stick in the way there. That's good. 1:25 left in the penalty there. Chernaby. Buchert. Nope. Chernaby, great pressure here. Good hit. Good hit on Emerson. There's Chuck. Number 16 here. Shot from the point. Back to Verschuk. Baldwin with the save. Easy save there. Routine. Gonna have a full change here. Full change. All right, here we go. Rolling. Camo. Oh. Quick draw here. Ice not completely frozen here, but here we go. Papa Rabadou in front of our screen here. Schrader on the sideboard here. Schrader got the sporting the red tape there today. Rolling. Zubab. No, you're fine. You're fine. You're good. You're good. Making sure viewers at home, everything's good here. I think everything's good. Coulombe's gonna skate back here for it. He's gonna pick it up. We got icing. We got a full change going. Full change. Lines lady didn't pick up on the full change there, but that's okay. That's okay. All right. 3 seconds left here. Neufeld's going to be set free here. Set free. 18 minutes left in the third period. Still 3-0. Jets still got the goose egg up there. Goose egg still intact. Neufeld putting on pressure. There's Chuck. Good hit by Neufeld there. Comes across. There's Chuck felt that one. Hits him again. Here, give you another one. Coulombe goes and hits him now. We got a push here. Puck's there. Nobody wants the puck. Neufeld does pick up. He's going to flick it out. Not a lot of forecheck. Not a lot of forecheck tonight. A lot of instructions here from the bench. There we go. Great play. Great play by Ty here. Rabadou's going to come out. Ginter's going to go. Rabadou. Front over Chernaby's stick. Ziegler's going to come back. He's going to get that. Jowett chips it out. Blizzard are going to defend this lead here. They're going to defend it pretty good. Ty takes a bump there. Penner's going to stop all of this and just use his trapper on that one, like the old school used to say, with the trapper. All right. Rabadou. Chernaby. Fairzy. 16:35 left in the third period. 3-0. Blizzard still leading. Fairzy on the side of the net. Levac shot, scores! Levac with the shot. That's what we needed. That's what we needed. Great shot. Snipes it home. Number 11. Like to see it. Like to see it. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That's what we needed. 3-1, 16-24 in the third. That's going to get our crowd into it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I like it. I like it. All right. Chernaby's going to dump that down. 3-1 here, 16-17 left. There's a great save by Baldwin. Great save there in tight. Fairzy dumps that down. That's a good play. Chernaby, Levac's going to come up. Laid a hit out. Jowett on the other side of that. Roland's going to come in. Roland's going to keep that in. Como, back to Levac. Levac, shot. Just a little bit outside. Just a little bit outside. Ginter, nope. Levac's got to get back. He's got Jowett's going to pressure. Levac's going to move his feet here. Good play. Yeah. Take the hit from Jowett. Neufeld. Great pressure by Neufeld. Comeau's gone. Yep. Oh, just outside. We got icing. Nope. No change. Okay, well, caught the Jets on that. No change, but I guess the Blizzard got a different set of rules here. That's okay. That's fine. No problem there. 15:06 left. Linesman working hard here. Neufeld chips it to his coach. Don't think, maybe back in the day there, Coach Eric could have had the moves out and maybe went down ice there, but yep. All right, Rubadoo, Ty, number 18, still don't got his name. That's my fault. Wasn't prepared for an AP tonight. No preparation here. Everything goes to heck here. Timbo's not here, so everything goes to heck here. We're doing the best we can here. I apologize, don't have number 18's name yet. Penner's behind the net here. Penner, need a hit. Need Emery to use his body here. Big frame, number 17. Maybe a couple hits there, like that. I think Emery's a football player too, I believe. Could be wrong. All right, Ty, great move. Yep. Shot. Rubadoo, back to number 18, Radley throws it into the corner. Number 18 using his big frame against Zubov. Still working hard. Great play by Ty there, keep that in. Great play. Radley's going to step up here. Yeah, he's going to go for a skate. Gets knocked down. No call. Jets fans not happy with that one. Ziegler against Verschuk. There we go. That's a good hit by Radley. That's what we need. Oh, Buchert trips him up there. Nothing on the play. Radley. Keeps it in. Ziegler dumps it down. Fairzy's going to jump in here. Come on, guys. Coulomb, little dance, little how's she going? Fairzy right on it. Dump to ice level. We're going to get an ice here. All right. 13:07 left in the third period, 3-1. Jets trying to make a rally here. Get the rally caps going. Rubadoo, Como, Roland. I got a feeling. Timbo's not here, but I got a feeling here that Jets are going to score this shift here. Timbo usually tells me if my feelings are on or not. Yeah, Como in front. Got nobody back here. No D back. Both D went for a pinch. This Buchert keeps falling and knocking down our players, and that's still a trip. It's still a trip in my mind. I think Mama Ziegler agrees with me too here. All right, here he goes, rolling. Oh, nice shot. Just about. Need that one. Off Coulombe's butt. He's going to have to come in. Shot. Ooh, saved by Baldwin. Saved by Baldwin. Shot his stick. Coulombe needs to pick up his stick here. Yeah, needs his stick. He's got lots of time. Okay, pick up the stick. No. Schrader dancing. White tape. Good hit by Coulombe there. Como chips it out. Great play from Robidoux. Still offside. Jowett gets the message here. Up to Como. Little how's she going? Nope, can't get around him. 11:39 left in the third period. 3-1. Blizzard still leading here. In front, Como. No, Roland. No. Neufeld. To Ziegler. Ziegler back to Levac. Levac, ooh, just bobbles over. Levac keeps it in. Yeah, he does keep it in. But Schrader takes off here. Levac's going to retreat. He's got time. He's going to go up. Nope. We got a delayed penalty. On the Blizzard. All right, here we go. Interference called to the Blizzard. I believe Hebert, 2 minutes interference, number 18. No, number 18 says, no, it's not me. It's 16, but yeah, they're going to take that. They're going to take that trade-off any day. All right, Como, Bersey, Ty, Radley, and Levac. Need some help here. Need some help. Radley's going to keep that in. He does. Oh, off the goalie. Off Maynard there in the bench. Maynard just stopped that one from the bench there. He wanted to get on his name on the broadcast. That's fine. That's no problem. We'll get you on the broadcast, Maynard. No problem. Radley. No. Levac calling for that one. Gets out muscled there. Corner. Radley's going to come back. Verschuk pressuring hard. Uh-oh. Yeah, that's okay. All under control here. Como goes wide to Ferzy. Gotta go. Yeah, Como tries to go over. Good hip check by Levac there. Caught Penner. Levac's going to go for the change. Ty, we got icing. No, he's going to wave off icing. Blizzard coach is not happy with that call. That's okay. It's a good call, though. In our favor, so it's a good call. Radley in the corner. Ziegler on here now. Ty's going to cover for him. Ferzy. Caleb Fair. Going to go to Ziegler. Ziegler, slap shot from the point. It's in. There it is. No. Did it go in? Oh, Radley falls on Penner here. Oh, we got extra activity here. Yeah, telling him to get the heck out of there. Lines lady not happy. Did it go in? We're going upstairs to see if that went in. No, referee saying no. I'm not sure. One outside. Not sure why it's going outside. Probably defense in, they're going to say. Kids going crazy here in LeBroke. Nuts here. 32 seconds left in that penalty to the Blizzard. 9:28 left in the third period. Robidoux, lots of pressure here. Dirksen's putting on that pressure. We're going to retreat here. Comeau's going to retreat. Ziegler's going to keep. It's going to go up to Captain Chernaby. Captain Chernaby is going to hold on to it. To Comeau. Comeau to Captain Chernaby. Ziegler's going to keep that in. Chernaby, all even here. Even Steven. Ziegler keeps it in. Great play by Ziegler. Robidoux just bounces over Robidoux's stick. Schrader, need to hit Schrader there. That's icing. Yeah, icing. We got a change going on again. That's okay. Verchuk's got to come off there. All right, 8:44 left in the third period. Ooh, great save by Penner there. Great save by Penner. No, Levac can't take that shot. I don't agree with that shot. Buchert, we gotta go. Yep, number 18. All right, number 18 in the corner there. Neufeld. Ty's gonna come hard here. No hit there. Ginter's gonna pinch. He keeps it in. All right. Schrader. Oh, right around Ginter there. Levac, yeah. No, Levac just throws it into the slot. Great play by Fairzy. Great play. Nope. Schrader. Oh, we've got a 2-on-1. 2-on-1. Oh, great save by Baldwin. Great play. We got to go. They got to get going here, the Jets. The Jets got to get going here. Fairzy. Oh. That hurt. That hurt him there. That hurt the captain. He's showing a lot of pose there. Ginter's going to go. Verchuk going to race. Levac's got to get back in the play there. He can't be watching. He's got to get back, help out his other D there. Give him an option. They got to go here. They got to go. Come on, boy. Zubov tries to keep it in. Hebert. Again, folks, just having some fun. Yeah. To Neufeld. Neufeld's going to carry on. Unger's going to get back. Gets tripped up. Emery's going to keep that in. Going to throw that in, I mean. All right. Needs help here. Roland's going to pick it up. He does. Still needs some help, guys. Radley's going to push his way there. Yeah. It's going to come in. Shoots. Oh, great play. I like Neufeld there. I like Neufeld causing some havoc there. Here comes Roland. Roland shot. Oh, great save by Penner there to smother that one with the trapper. All right, 5:58 left. Time is not our friend here. Third period, 3-1. I don't know. I think we could do it here. Come on, fans at home. What do you guys think? Ziegler fans on it. Ty takes the hit from Verchuk there. We got a 2-on-1. Penner and Buchert. Oh, great save by Baldwin. Baldwin's keeping us in the game here. Baldwin's keeping us in the game. Grandpa Cameron back in Ontario. He's very happy here. I'm sure he's happy with those saves. All right. Ty Robidoux, number 18, and Ziegler and Coulombe on the ice here. Ty chips it to their defenseman Emerson. That's going to stay outside. We're going to get a full change here. Un changement. Un gros changement. All right. Here we go. All right. Blizzard, wait till the last minute. Take out the good tunes. I like that. 5 minutes left here. 3-1. Neufeld working his butt off. Gets kind of tackled there. That's okay though. Yeah. Mr. Penner on the bench there giving Tyler some instructions here. Get the puck in deep. All right, here we go. No zip here. Need a zip. Need something going here. Need something going. Oh, great save by Baldwin again. Great save by Baldwin. All right, here we go. Got a full sail. Radley, Emery, Robidoux's line comes out here. Comeau and Roland. Robidoux looking up the middle. Great play to get away from Jowett. Comeau. Roland's going to skate hard here. Off angle here, but he could skate it in here. He's going to need Robidoux. Robidoux's going to go to Radley. Yeah, right to Radley. Nobody in front there. Need some traffic. Emery's going to keep that in. Yeah, get out of my way, he says. Pushes him again. Oh, great save by Penner again. If Penner doesn't get game star for the Blizzard, there's something wrong. All right, Jowett stick handling his way over the blue line. Dumps it in. Emery pushing. Roland's got to go here. Yeah, gets his stick on it. Great play. Comeau's going to chip. Roland's going to try to take off here. Slap shot. Almost gets Penner in the Millendew. Lavac's going to go to Comeau. Little fake. There's Chuck. Neufeld hits him. 3:39 left in the third period. Our time is not in our favor here. Thiessen, great block by Thiessen. Roland goes right through him. Comeau's going to go in. Neufeld shot. Roland, sideboard. Nope. All right, 3:14 left in the third period. 3-1. Blizzard still leading here. Good to see Captain Chernaby back on the ice there. Leg must be healed. Maybe they did a Mr. Miyagi there in the bench there. Coach Eric did a little Mr. Miyagi, get his leg going here. All right, Hebert's gonna get kicked out. Levac misses Reimer. We got open net here. We got open net. Down two. Fairzy and a Neufeld. Down here, 2:49 left. Viewers at home, 2:49 left. 3-1. Levac again. Levac just outside of his reach. Comes back to Robidoux. Robidoux's going to throw it to Levac. Levac's going to go back to Robidoux. Robidoux's going to swing. Robidoux's going to go down low. 2:31 left. From behind, not happy. Coach, got to get open. like to see Levac just float lower there. Yeah, you got to create something. No, that's not going to work, boys. That's not going to work. He shoots it, and we got icing. All right. No change. Maybe timeout. Maybe timeout for the Blizz. Nope. Coach Eric's going to call that timeout. 2:13. All right. Teams are going to talk it out here, put a plan together. 2:13 left in the third period. 3-1. Little intermission here. All right. Viewers at home, if you're wondering where Timbo is, the great Tim, he is enjoying probably some beverages right now at the Portage Hotel. I believe that's where he is right now. Gave him the weekend off here, so yeah, Timbo, thinking of you. Scores! There it is! In! Neufeld! Great goal! Great goal! Great goal! Yeah, good snipe. 3-2 here. 3-2. Beautiful. Mama Neufeld going crazy on her drum there. Mama Neufeld. Ryan, big goal there. Neufeld. Nice shot. Okay, boys. Okay. 2:09. 3-2. Putting on the pressure here. Great game. Great. Turned out to be a great game here. Roland's going to take this draw. Okay. Neufeld's going to go back out. Ziegler comes out. Ziegler and Radley. Well, how's she going? Here we go. He's going to go. Goalie's getting pulled here. Premature substitution. It's not a penalty. It's not a penalty. No, it's a good call. It's a good call. It's perfect. Robidoux left too early there. Yeah, left way too early there. Yeah, good call by the linesman there. Okay, Ziegler's going to go. Ziegler.
Come on, you guys.
Yeah, we got a penalty here. Blizzard are going to go down. It's going to be down low. Need Blizzard to call their timeout here. Yeah, he's going to get pulled here. They're going to go full out here. There we go. Radley. Captain Chernaby from the side. 1:30 left. 1:30 left in the period. Neufeld going to take their time here. Going to take their time. Up to Roland. Back to Captain Chernaby. Ziegler takes the shot. Yeah, gets their stick on it. It's going to stay inside though. 1:10 left in the third period. 3-2 for the Blizz. Robidoux is going to get pulled off. Going to put the big body out there. Radley. Needs some help there. Needs some help. Fairzy to Ziegler. Ziegler to Roland. Roland's going to skate in. Shot. Penner. There it is. Radley throws it into the corner for Captain Chernaby. 51 seconds left. Ziegler on the sideboard. Back to Ziegler. He shoots. Keeps it in. Great play by Ziegler. Going to go across. Yeah, he's going to go back to Ziegler. Ziegler shot. Saved by Penner. He saw that one. Levac's gonna come out. Okay, yeah, perfect. Blizzard are gonna call their timeout, give us a little rest. Okay, Coach Eric's gonna draw up the play. Pretty exciting, folks, pretty exciting. 36.7 seconds left here. A lot of text coming in here asking what the score is. Yep. We're going to be giving them that there. So 3-2. All right, goalie stays out. Levac, Ziegler, Roland, Robidoux, Neufeld. Neufeld's going to try to win this to Roland. A quick, nope, loses that big draw by Buchert there. Roland's going to pick it up. 30 seconds left. Chernaby. Chernaby's going to go to Levac. Levac's going to go to Ziegler. Ziegler in the middle. Robidoux. Robidoux gets hit there. Roland, shot, back to Roland. 12 seconds left, 10, 9, 8, 7, shot. No, block. There it is, there it is, there it is. Good block, good block. All right. Showed some character. If anything, showed some character to come back here. We didn't give up. It was a nice try. Win some, you lose some. So yeah, that's the way she goes. Way the cookie crumbles sometimes. Can't blame it on anybody here. It's yeah, if we would have played like that the first two periods, would have been a different story. But sometimes that happens, folks. Sometimes that happens. So we're back at it tomorrow. We'll be in Landmark playing the Snipers. So we're right back at it. So we don't have to wait long. But yeah, so teams are just going to do their handshake here. We're going to get back. We'll get this game uploaded so everybody can watch it here. Yeah, so that's a 3-2 final. We will we'll cut this out here and we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, thanks for viewing and adios.